Here, as you know, that my family is a sweet lover as well, so how we can forget halwa. So basically, she's cooking here. She took a pan and added some stuff, and now she's going to dry roast the semolina for a while, and then we're gonna add half cup cooking oil into it and mix home, and we can also buy it from our village. So you're gonna roast it until it gets golden brown. So here, now take another plate, add 4 tablespoons of dry milk and make it space. And basically, I can just congratulate everyone of Pakistan because today Pakistan won the match from India. So that's a quite amazing part, and I'm so excited about it. I'm literally laughing and I'm so happy, thanks to Allah Almighty, that they gave us such a big thing and a winning. So first of all, let's go back to the recipe. I hope you have loved this vlog, and I really enjoyed by showing this vlog, and I was quite excited for this part as well. So here's the ending. See you in the next vlog. Bye.